Welcome back to another episode of Yankee Liv'n. Brad here. This episode is dedicated to Whistle Thicket, and they're putting on a pumpkin challenge this year. And well, I'll put a URL to their channel down in the description below, or up in the right-hand corner, or somewhere on here. You'll find out. I'm going to get right into this because the wind is picking up here. I've got roosters in the background, and you know how that all goes. I've got a Well, I'm going to turn around and show you here. Do you think I could get through this? It's only going to take me 2 minutes. Could you hold your breath? I like to hold its breath for him. No, I'm just kidding. I love my chickens. Anyways, let's get back to this video here. Whistle Thicket is putting on a challenge to the pumpkin people out there, and hey, well, we're going to accept that challenge, and this is our entry into it, and I'll try to get in between words of roosters crowing and whatnot, and doing some other videos at the same time and trying to get everything together. It is getting late, so what I have done is I have started my seeds in some paper towel method there with the water and the whole bit and everything, keep the end open. You know how that goes. And I've got a few pots here. I'm going to get them. They're all sprouted. Well, that'll teach you. The oldest hen over there just, well, I was going to say wrap that rooster upside the head a couple times. Anyways, if this is too much noise and wind up there, I'm going to end up doing this in voiceover. And let's see what we got here. Alright, I tried to tuck myself in here out of the wind, and I'm not sure if I accomplished that or not. We'll find out when we go edit this thing here. Yeah, we didn't get away from you, did we? Or the traffic. You know, it's just been one of those days. This is one of the reasons why I do so much voiceovers and stuff, is just so much noise going on and whatnot. But we'll try to get through this the best we can. Anyways. Hey, make sure that you check out Whistle Thicket's Pumpkin Challenge. I will throw their URL up in a card up in the right-hand corner here. Make sure you get all the particulars over there. We got our challenge in officially. We are in the challenge. How we do, I have no idea, but I will get my granddaughters involved with it, that's for sure. Anyways, can I end this thing or what? That'll just about do this episode, guys. Wherever you are in your neck of the woods, be it morning, noon, or night, I hope you're all having a great one. Be good to one another, and take care now. All right, everybody can bark, crow, blow the wind, and do it. Are you having fun? That's what I thought.